Now we're going to consider algebraic division, and as before we'll start off by looking at normal division. 35 divided by 9 is 3, 3 9s are 27, remainder 8. That's what you wrote when you were about 7 or 8 years old. We don't write that, we tend to write 3 and 8 ninths. So the number you're dividing by is the denominator in the answer. So now let's consider an algebraic division where we know there's going to be a remainder. So let's do x plus 3 into x squared plus 7x plus 13. X into x squared is x. X times x makes x squared. And now x times x plus 3 makes x squared plus 3x. What's the remainder? It's 4x. Bring down the plus 13. X into 4x is 4. 4x plus 12. There's a remainder of 1. So the answer to this is that it's x plus 4, and then it's 1 over x plus 3. Why is it that? Because the remainder is 1, and it's 1 divided by what you're dividing by, if that makes sense. So in the same way that 35 over 9 was 3 9s are 27, and it was remainder 8, so it was 3 and 8 ninths. So again, it's over, it's divided by, it's over there, what you were dividing by originally. So the 9 and the 9 stay the same, the x plus 3 and the x plus 3 stay the same. So let's generalise this. We've got some polynomial, and we're going to divide it by x minus a. We're going to get an answer, and we're going to get a remainder, and it's the remainder over what you're dividing by. Let's multiply through by x minus a, and we get this. So if x equals a, I get p of a equals, and then it's naught plus r of a. Now this proof is not something that you need to be able to replicate in the exam, but you do need to know the result. And the result is this: if a polynomial is divided by ax minus b, then the remainder is f of b over a. So let's think of an example. So here's an example. Find the remainder when 7x cubed plus 6x squared minus 45x plus 1 is divided by x plus 3. So the remainder, and so all this does is tell you what the remainder is. The remainder is 7 times minus 3 cubed plus 6 times minus 3 squared minus 45 times minus 3 plus 1. How have I done that? What value of x makes this bracket equal to 0? It's minus 3. So I'll put minus 3 into this equation. X cubed is minus 3 cubed. X squared is minus 3 squared. X is minus 3. So I can now work out what that is. 7 times minus 3 cubed is minus 189. 6 times minus 3 squared is 6 times 9, that's 54. 45 times minus 3 is plus 135 plus 1, so the final answer is 1. So just to recap, what did I do to find the remainder? I made that bracket equal to 0, x is minus 3 to make that equal to 0, and then I put minus 3 into this polynomial. That was what this bit was all about.